Hello, my beauties. Today we're going to focus on arms. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice here. So it's all going to be about arms. And one good exercise that we'll be using today will be the star exercise. So I want you to figure or think of a star in front of you. You have the head, you have the arms, and you have the legs. So get into something comfortable and let's get into our star arm exercise. All right, you ready? Deep breath in up. Breathe out. I want you to expand the chest as you breathe in. Breathe out, relax the arms. Excellent. So now we're focusing on the head of the star. So I want you to keep your right arm up, and we're just gonna bring our left arm to the side. So we're gonna bring it down and out, up. So we're just focusing on the left arm first. Good. Top of the star and to the side. Now switch. Now we're going to alternate. Bend the elbows and extend out, wrist up. Bend the elbows and then bring the wrist up. Bend the elbow, push out and wrist up. Last one. Good. So now we're going to bring it all the way down to the leg. So you're going to go all the way down to the leg and then up. Again, all the way down. And always lead from the wrist when you go up. Then the elbow and a switch. So if you're finding that your shoulders are starting to burn, it's because your shoulders are up like this. So make sure your shoulders are relaxed and pull back on your shoulder blades. Pull back. Good. Now we're going to alternate. Left going down and up. Now we're going to add behind the head. We're going to go side. And I repeat on the right. Now all the way down. Behind the head and then all the way down. You're going to feel this in your arms. Building endurance. And now let's bring our arms down to the side. So now we're going to go up with the left arm, behind the head, and out. Alternate. Now both arms up, out to the side and down. Now pull into the center. Out, side, down, pull into the center. You could pulse and bring it in. One more time. Bring it in right here. And now we're going to open up to the front and out. And open. Good. Now bring it in and out. Now right arm in and out. Both arms to the center and open. Right arm in and out and left and out and hold. That was your star exercise. Keep doing these movements because eventually you add your body with this. And then your arm comes really flowy that you don't even have to think. So I find the star exercise is a good way to kind of go up the top of the star to the side of the star, down, up. You can have one arm up to the side, head to the other side. So there's many things you could do with the star exercise.